Alright, so let's see today's market. Right now, I'm looking at Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, and let's see if I can find any opportunity and let you guys know in the stream. अभी just market open हुआ है, so I will wait for like more 5-10 minutes to first see the reaction and then look for trade opportunities. Okay, so फिर daily time frame से start करते हैं. Now this is chart of Bank Nifty. I'm looking for a rejection from this daily candle if I'm looking for a long trade. Overall higher time frame perspective की बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी बुलिश है. बुलिश मतलब वी आर क्लियरली मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर अगर सिर्फ देखें तो वी आर जस्ट क्लियरली मेकिंग हायर हाइज एंड हायर लोज. Okay, this was the last leg of low, this was the last leg of high, and price सिर्फ साइडवेज कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है. ओके तो अभी ऑन अ डेली परस्पेक्टिव साइडवेज प्राइस है, प्राइस एक्शन है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम ट्रेड नहीं ले सकते. यू कैन डेफिनेटली टेक ट्रेड सेटअप्स. सो in order for price for market to move up or down, market hunts for what? Liquidity. Right now this low failed to break this high. Even this high is not able to breach this low. And now in future obviously हमें समझेगा कि ये low breach होगा कि नहीं होगा. But according to the current price action, I'm thinking that we should go and hunt down this sell side liquidity, again this sell side liquidity. Now if I'm अगर मुझे शॉर्ट सेटअप देखना है तो मैं 15 मिनट्स या फिर 1 आवर पे देखूंगा. इफ़ यू आर नॉट अ रिस्की ट्रेडर, जैसे कि बेसिकली स्कैल्पिंग नहीं करते हो, तो 1 आवर 15 मिनट्स काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल टाइम फ्रेम है प्राइस एक्शन को स्टडी करने के लिए. बट इफ़ यू आर अ स्कैल्पर 5 मिनट्स पे जाके या फिर 1 मिनट पे जाके यू कैन टेक scalp trades, which I basically don't recommend. It can lead to over trading, obvious for obvious reasons. So on a 1 minute time frame, we rejected those highs. So what I'm expecting is that price to trade towards the downside यहाँ पे and target this sell side liquidity, that is 58,850 levels and 58,700 levels. Let's see. So if you are using a flyers platform or angel broking platform, इन्होंने एक नया indicator introduce किया है, that is it shows you OI profile, basically volume profile का ये अलग version है, but it shows you open interest data of your option contracts. Okay, तो यहाँ पे अगर आप कोई भी टाइम फ्रेम चूज करोगे तो आपको दिखेगा कि कौन से साइड पे ओपन इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा है, कौन से साइड पे ओपन इंटरेस्ट कम है. This green bar indicates open interest of put, and the red bar indicates the open interest of calls. So यहाँ पे put का open interest ज़्यादा है as compared to the calls. That means, और basic knowledge है option trading का, that is so basic knowledge है option trading का, that is the higher the open interest, the more price action reject those levels. Okay, so yeah, and also this shows the sellers, not the buyers. So यहाँ पे लोगों ने put ज़्यादा sell किए हैं. That means people are expecting for price to go higher from here, but price action थोड़ा सा contradict कर रहा है. Okay, so P हम क्यों बेचते हैं, put क्यों बेचते हैं हम, that means प्राइस उसका प्रीमियम कम हो. सो मोस्टली इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग अ बाय ऑन पुट, वी एक्सपेक्ट नॉर्मल अगर बाय कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बाय करें हम, ओके, पुट का, तो वी एक्सपेक्ट फॉर प्राइस टू गो लोअर सो दैट आवर प्रीमियम गेट्स हायर, एंड वाइस वर्सा फॉर कॉल्स. ओके, तो यहाँ पे the put is more than the calls. That means the put riders are expecting for price to go higher, which is around this level, that is 59,500 level. So what can might happen is, obviously that's why I'll prefer 15 minute higher time frame, like 15 minute and 1 hour time frame, so that it gives you clear indication, or it gives you a proper time to understand the price action, rather than just forcefully trading 1 hour or lower time frames like 1 hour, 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. So these are the scenarios which I am looking for. जैसे कि हमने starting of the live stream देखा कि price एक range में है, okay, either it is going to hunt for sell side liquidity, or either it is going to hunt for buy side liquidity. यहाँ पे if I want to take this particular trade, I will wait for previous day ka low and high ka rejection. Right now we are trading low ke niche, and if we sustain that low, we can expect higher prices. And right now 15,000 59,400 500 levels looks attractive. That means if we break this level, we can see a pullback towards where, towards 60,000. And as you can also see that we on 60,000 we have higher open interest on the call side. That means people are selling their calls of 60,000 um, strike price. Okay, so yeah, and second support is around 58,000, 59,000 levels, which is around this low right here. So ये जो range है 59,500 and 59,000, which is basically 500 points का range, यहाँ पे we can look for our trading opportunities. So इतना छोटा range में मैं अगर 15 मिनट time frame use करूँगा तो obviously I might miss some trades. So 5 minutes can do the work. Okay, risky trade लेके इस आज के हाई का स्टॉप लॉस लगा के मैं ये ट्रेड इनिशिएट कर सकता हूँ. Again, on a 1 minute time frame, I have this fair value gap. We rejected that fair value gap. If again we make a bearish fair value gap, then I might look for a short trade, and my stop loss will be this high. My target will be this low right here. एक बार निफ्टी 50 देख लेते हैं. ओके, जूम आउट करता हूँ मैं. नाउ अगेन सेम निफ्टी 50 रेंज में था, बट एक्चुअली निफ्टी 50 ब्रोक दैट रेंज. अगर हायर प्राइस एक्शन की बात करें, we are making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This was the high and this is the low. Price already took out that low. That means this is a breakout. Okay, we have broke this low. That means that is a breakout. Initially अगर देखा जाए तो we got the confirmation that market has given a sign of a reversal, which was from this low right here. मैं यहाँ पे बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट डाल के रखता हूँ so that we can track that as well. All right. So we have took this low. So it can be a liquidity sweep. Okay, अभी तक कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं है until unless आज के दिन का कैंडल अगर फॉर्म नहीं आज के दिन का कैंडल should first of all close below this low and also make a fair value gap. That means price can retest back to that fair value gap and bearish move continue रहेगा. और हाँ, previously we were talking about कि यहाँ से ही we got an indication that market has shown a sign of reversal, और उसी के बाद we saw this strong move towards the downside. Now if I want to take an intraday trading opportunity, this previous day low के नीचे price obviously first open हुआ. अभी now OI perspective से देखा जाए तो we have strong open interest on the put side around 25,170, मतलब 25,150 and 25,200 strike price के level पे. So it is giving a strong support here on a 15 minute time frame. Again, यहाँ पे I have this fair value gap. If this 15 minute candle breaks above this fair value gap and closes, I will definitely look for a buy trade. अभी निफ्टी 50 का रेंज बड़ा है एज कम्पेयर टू बैंक निफ्टी, सो मैं बैंक निफ्टी पे आज रिस्क नहीं लूंगा बिकॉज उसका रेंज सिर्फ 500 पॉइंट का है. नो डाउट 500 पॉइंट भी ज़्यादा है, बट द रीज़न बीइंग इज me myself I'm not comfortable trading on 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame. I like to have proper test book A plus setups, so 15 minute time frame is much more comfortable to me. But yes, if I'm get if I want to take more confirmation, then I will use lower time frame once only after 15 minute का confirmation मुझे आता है तो. So yeah, Coming back to the charts, so if I get a breakout like this, I'll look for buying. I will look for buying opportunity around 25,600 levels. And if we are not able to sustain as the time pass by, and if we make a bearish fair value gap, bearish 15-minute fair value gap, then we might see lower prices. Obviously, the global tensions can also lead to a bearish continue bearish momentum. So yeah, we can't say anything. So that's why right now we will just wait. All right, now the next chart is mid cap. So mid cap as compared to Nifty and Bank Nifty काफी ज़्यादा weak है obviously. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो we have strong open interest on the call side. That means people are expecting for price to go lower from here. Okay, इसका जो resistance है वो है 13,500, मतलब 13,450 13,500 के strike price पे. Now on an intraday basis, if I want to take this trade, I'll wait for price to sustain, not sustain, give me a sign कि कहाँ से मुझे ट्रेड लेना है. सो 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे जाएंगे. 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे देखना है कि व्हाट पैटर्न डज इट मेक्स. ये उसका प्रीवियस M15 बेरिश फेयर वैल्यू गैप है. इफ इट कंटिन्यूज टू मेक दैट, वहाँ से मैं एंट्री लूँगा एंड देन आई विल टारगेट 1:2 रिस्टोर्ड रेशियो. ओके, again if we make a bullish fair value gap or break this structure, as in market structure shift hota hai with strong displacement, then I will look for buying opportunity. So yeah, that's the market view of today's day, that is 21st Jan 2026. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll try to come live every day from 9 to whatever time it gets to explain the entire charts. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow.